Welcome to the first episode of Rogue Woodshop. So here's my plan for today. I need to build a miter station, centerpiece, to hold the miter saw underneath the window in my garage. The SketchUp drawing shows the master plan for the entire one-car garage workshop. My first step is to draw a SketchUp CAD drawing of the table and utilize the Cutlass extension to get all of the links and my lumber purchase inventory. This plan was developed from I like to make things with a simple plan for the table to have two supporting legs and link supports with a plywood top. I'll have a description to the link for his channel below. I'm using 2x4s and 1/2-inch plywood for this project. I next cut all of the 2x4s to length according to the cut list. Right here is where I realized I made an on-the-fly adjustment to the length of the table and forgot to adjust the support 2x4s for the new length. They were just about 1 inch too short and no way to adjust. Back to Home Depot to pick up one more board. After picking up kids from school, fixing dinner, and putting everybody to bed, I'm back at it cutting the boards to the length specified in the new cut list. Next, I'm drilling pocket holes for all of the leg and top supports using the Craig R3 jig. I put the legs together and then countersunk holes in the top plywood piece to attach it to the legs. I had an offcut on the back support 2x4 that caused the top to be off. You can see the major shift from front to back. 3 of the corners matched perfectly. My table saw was probably not completely true, although everything looked right when I squared it up. I had just found this used Craftsman 10-inch table saw and router table combo with router off of Craigslist. After finally getting to the right fit, I finished attaching the top. I slid it into place to take center stage for the start of the miter station. Next up is adding the left side table.